Hi everyone, today we're doing a review on Halloween decorations. This witch's cauldron was gifted to me in exchange for my review. It does come with a set of instructions and it's very easy to follow and to set this up. It does come with some silk floss. Now this will go in the cauldron when you're setting up your decorations. Look at how great that this tripod, it comes in a very portable container. And the material that's used in this tripod seem very durable and long lasting. It does come with a string of eyeball lights. Now these eyeball lights do require two AA batteries to get it all set up and lit up very easily in your cauldron. Now the eyeballs do light up in a mysterious green flickering light, which is going to be perfect for outdoors. It also comes with this great skeleton. You can move the skeleton very easily, and it also has a shower cap on it. All of these in the cauldron are going to add such a scary element to the atmosphere. S-hook. This S-hook will be helpful when adjusting it to the level you would like. Look how easy that this tripod was to set up. You just pull it open and it is perfect. Now all you have to do is just spread out the bottom and it's going to hold that cauldron so easily. The tripod stands about 52 inches in height. This witch's cauldron can be put indoors or outdoors, wherever you're looking to spook up your area. Now it did come with the witch's cauldron. This witch's cauldron is made of a plastic and is very durable. You can see how the S-hook is adjusting the height level to what I need it for. You can really fluff up the silk floss to make it look very full. Now here, as I said before, you do need two AA batteries. And it just goes right in the cauldron. It's so easy to set it up and to make it look very spooky. Adjustments can be made very easily, and it was so simple to set this all up in my decorations. It was a great addition to my Halloween decorations. I'm going to shut off the lights so you can see the glowing green eerie setting that this is set up. This cauldron was perfect. All in all, this is a great witch's cauldron and I do suggest it. See you guys next time.